Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check how you can freely generate this type of AI images within a second, and it is absolutely free. And friend, you have seen this type of AI images are currently very trendy. So you will learn in this video that how you can generate and which type of tools we are going to use. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here, we are at the Google search engine. So basically, in which you have to write only Bing. So once you write the Bing, friend, then here you can see image creator. So we have to see simply click on that, and friend, once you click, then you will come to this page. So this is the official page of the Microsoft Bing for the AI image generator. So you can see here they have also written that create images from words with AI. So friend, for generating the image, the first step is you have to join the Microsoft Bing. So for that, you have to simply click on this join and create, and once you click, then you will come this page. So there friend, two types of options for sign in. So once you have to write email, and then you will get the OTP. Then you can directly log in for the one time. And if you want to create your account, then you have to click on this create one, and then you have to enter your email address, and next, then you can create your account. So friend, I have already created my account. So you can see here, this is my account. So here we are going to generate the various AI images with the background of social medias. So friend, you can see here you have to write the your prompt according to which the AI images will generate. So let's check some of the examples. So friend, you can see here, here I have given the prompt. You can see uh, that is, you can see, create a 3D illustration featuring a realistic 7-year-old beautiful young boy busy to writing a coding on one chair in front of a 3D logo of WhatsApp. The character should have a blue and white pant coat tie with sneaker shoes. You can see like square glasses, and the background of the image should showcase a social media profile. And you can see the username and matching profile picture and modifying it. So friend, once you click on this text here, and you have to click on this create, and once you click, then within 10 to 20 seconds, this type of AI image will generate. So you can see here, these are the images. You can see it looks very good, and you will get the very good quality of images. So you can share it on anywhere. So friend, also you can see you can download it. Here you can see download button is given. You can download it, or you can also customize it. Like you can change the username or the color of the clothes. Like you can see a white pant I have given. So you can change it according to your requirement. So friend, similarly we have created the other AI also. So you can see here. So friend, I have given the some prompt similarly, and given the some modifications. So in this AI, I have given the girl. So you can see this type of image you will get here. So similarly, friend, I have created one more prompt. So you can see here. So in this prompt, you can see I have written, or you can see like create a 3D illustration of an animated character. You can see sitting on the Facebook, and for the some creativity purposes, I have given the some marriage clothes, like you can see sherwani with shoes. So I have given this, and friend, you can give the prompt according to your requirement. And friend, once you give, then you will see, yes, this type of result will be shown. So you can see here, these are the images you will get. So you can use it on your profile also. And similarly, friend, we have created one more. So before going to that one, if you have not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the various types of informational video and related to the some technology. So please subscribe our channel InfoRosan. It will motivate us to create more videos and content for you. So friend, let's take the last one. So friend, in which you can see, I have given the prompt, create a 3D illustration of an animated character. of a 50-year-old playing football with wearing blue suit, and the background of the image is a football ground. So you can see here this type of AI image is a generated. So you can change it according to your requirement, like a 50-year-old to 20-year-old, or you can change this suit with the t-shirts. So friend, these are the you can see you can easily generate it. So you have to write the prompt here. So friend, the main thing is here you have to write the prompt correctly, so that you will get the very correct image according to your requirement. So on the here also you can see here coins are given here. So once you create an account, then you will get the 15 coins. 15 coins means one coin for one prompt. So I have given the 5 prompts, so my coins will reduce to 10. So similarly, once you log in, you will generate 15 images with the 15 coins. So please use it properly, and friend, you can generate it, and you can see yes, very good quality of image you will get. So friend, if you like the video and you have learned in this some information in this video, or you have learned anything, please comment on the video, or please like and subscribe our channel Information. Thank you.